I think I've been wearing Superhairpieces for about 6 years. My name is Robert. Originally I'm from Poland. I like biking. I'm a pretty active guy, so my hair kind of important to me. First time I started dealing with the hair loss when I was around 40 years old. I got sick. I had to take antibiotics, lots of them. And after, I think that was 3 months, one day, one shower, I lost 1/3 of my hair. I found them in a bathtub. So that's how I actually start noticing that I'm losing my hair, and I knew exactly why. I've been told that my hair should grow back. They never did. It was a pure accident, actually. My girlfriend, she saw advertisement on TV, and I said, okay, I'm gonna do this once or twice. So I ordered 2 systems. I found out after less than a year that my hair will probably never grow back. Make me more confident. I can participate in any sport activities which I love to do. I don't have to worry about how I look. I don't have to worry about the rain. I don't have to worry about sweaty. I like myself. I like what I see in a mirror. I mean, it reminds me of, how I look like when I was 25 or 30. On top of it, of course, the most people, they are telling me that, Robert, what you are doing, like, you look so young. I believe you could feel ridiculous. System is well made. It looks almost real. I would recommend Superhairpieces to everyone.